Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a false eyelash video for you guys today. These are the Demi Wispies in number 120. I got the Deluxe pack here. I got these at Sally's Beauty Supply store. If I can find a link to them, I will post it down below. But I thought I would start trying all these different eyelashes on to show you guys how they look on the eye and the difference between one lash and the other. So if you guys want to see what this looks like, I'm going to zoom the camera in like 1000% to my eye and show you what they look like actually up close and on the eye. Okay guys, so I'm going to use my own eyelash glue. I use the Duo Black eyelash glue instead of the eyelash glue. This actually comes with the clear. And I'm going to use this later on after I've already applied. This is the little tool that you can use to put them on this way. But I use my handy dandy tiny eyelash applicator right here. This is the easiest way to apply, and then I'll just use this to show you guys for demonstration purposes. So let's go ahead and put these on. Eyelashes curled and with mascara already. Just going to pop those on just like that. Now let's go ahead and use this little tiny tool that it came with. Now with this tool, what you can do is you can pinch them together, your lashes and the actual false eyelashes. Make sure that there's no separation between your lashes and the fake lashes. These lashes are so long at the end. They have this like short to long, that I didn't put them all the way to the end of my eye right here because it would make my eyes look like they were droopy. So I just put them, I stopped them right here where my, okay, so this is the end of my eye. I stopped them about right here. Let's see, here's the end of my eye, and I stopped them about right here, just a little bit short, because you see how they lay, and I didn't want them to, when I say it would make my eye look droopy, it would be like that. We want the illusion that everything is up and tight. And that is what the eyelashes look like when they're on. What do you guys think? Do you like that it comes out like this? You guys can see the top right there and straight forward. So it goes from a short to a very long curled. If I zoom out, this is the width and the width out. Big, huge difference, don't you think? Okay, guys, so what do you think? This is from a distance. Aren't they beautiful? I think they're beautiful. I don't know if you guys like so much where they go from like short to long, but when you look up, isn't that so pretty? And when you look down, I don't know if you notice when you look down how it goes from short to long. Kind of just accents that end of it, the end of your eye here. Really pretty, but these are very long at the end, not the longest I've ever tried, because when I look up, you guys can see how high up they go. This little tool here, yeah, it was all right. I didn't use the end there. The end is just kind of poke it down if you want. I prefer using my tool, which I'll post that link down below because it's so easy to use. This was a little bit fat at the end versus the metal ones. But if you guys like the metal ones, I'll try to post a link to that too. If I can't, my bad. And I will try to find the link to these lashes. They are relatively cheap. I think that was like $5, $5-6 bucks, something like that. Anyways, if you guys could, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye-bye.